Hey y'all, welcome back. I know it's been a hot minute because I've been booked and busy, but I'm here with this quick holiday glam. Going into my Morphe and Jacqueline Hill palette. And with this first color, I'm focusing this more on my outer corners. And you can see I'm going to keep applying the color until I get the darkness that I want to achieve. And pretty much I am not going past like the halfway point of my lid. I'm keeping the color right on the end. And so I've been so stressed out this holiday, y'all. And like I told y'all before, if you remember from my last video, I've been getting more clients and I'm in my full-time job and me lashing and makeup. It's just taking up so much of my time. So it's taken away from me filming. So I'm going into a lighter color. You can see that I'm focusing that now on the first half of my lid. And I'm just blending that in nicely. Now I'm going to take this darker chocolate and I am going to focus it on the outer corner, but underneath the first color. So I don't want them to mesh together. I still want you to see a variance, if that makes sense. And I'm doing the same thing on the other eye. Now I'm going to take my eyeliner, and I'll make sure I link all the products used in the description box down below. And I'm doing a small wing today. I'm not going to be too extra, but I did want to have just a little bit of drama. You can see my wing is not going out that far, just a baby wing. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side of my lid. And I'm going to try to get that, obviously, as perfect as possible. And y'all about to see me mess this up. I actually went back in later and just corrected it. So you can see that it's not perfect for me either. Look at my face. The struggle is real. So the holidays has been kind of stressful for me. I'm not even halfway through my Christmas shopping yet. Right? And I'm about to highlight under my lid with this color I just showed y'all. I'm sorry, under my brow. And that's just to give me a little bit of drama. This is kind of pinkish, has a pinkish tone. If you want something more gold, I will go to the color that was directly to the right of it. Now, this little baby MAC chestnut pencil, you see that I'm struggling. I use it like almost every day. I'm going to use that to line my lips to get ready for the lipstick. Yeah, so I have not been doing my shopping. I can't even believe that New Year's is like around the corner, and I'm like, it's about to be 2020 and I need to get my life in order. This is how I've been feeling. And I'm about to put this light lipstick in the middle of my lip, and I found it was too dark. I didn't film this part, I took it out, but you could see at the end it's going to be a lighter color. I added in a lighter color pop that I'll mention down below for you guys, and just because I thought this was kind of dark here. Yes, girl, get all up in there. And this little piece of like my real hair on the side is just not letting me be great. Through the whole video, I had to fix that, y'all. But here we're going to add some lip gloss. You can see that the lip color is a little lighter. And I'm just popping this on. Now I'm spraying to set my face. Honey, I'm living for this look. It's giving me all these holiday vibes, and it was really quick and easy to do. So that means you can do it at home too. And here's the finished product. So it was nice talking to y'all for fake. My next video will have a longer conversation, but thank you so much for tuning in, and happy holidays. Bye.